It is cold, so cold, all-consuming winter. Frost and false dreams, my existence is relentless. As my icy seal is broken, treacherous hope fills my heart. Alas, only food earns my welcome. Warmth is scarce. The light, the warm, tantalizing light, brings visions of another life. My belly is always full, yet my hunger is never sated. Such a diligent individual, yet such a bitter fate. I am but a tool to them. They scan me, seeking their prize. My glacial prison yields no gratitude. The eyes seek food. I seek love, but there is none to be found. I am alive, but not living. Eternal wintertide.